it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So we're gonna do another eyeshadow palette bingo video because I had a lot of fun doing it with the Exotic Peacock palette, and I still need to play with the Obsessed palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. So I thought we'd do another palette bingo because you guys seem to really enjoy it and I really enjoyed it, so it's a win-win. This is what the palette looks like. I love this color story. I think it's so cute. I'm hoping super bad that I don't just get the neutrals because that could definitely happen. But I'm gonna do it the same way I did the Exotic Peacock. Basically, there are 14 shades, and in my head they're just numbered 1 through 7 and 8 through 14. And I'm just gonna pull up a random number generator on my phone. I'm going to do 5 different numbers, and we're gonna create a look with the numbers that I get dealt. The minimum is 1, the max is 14. Generate, we got number 10. All right, we got a neutral. We got Brick House, which is this just shimmery bronze color. 11, which is Stay Golden. I love this shade. Oh, I love that. Yes, I'm so happy I got that shade. 13, we got another brown. This is Cookie. Praying for 2 bright colors for these last ones. 9, are you serious? I got another neutral. Well, this one's a little more plummy at least. This is Whatever. This is like a plummy brown. And we got 8. And this is a shimmery icy blue. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Very odd color combination. I wish this bright pop of blue would have been a matte because I could have done a lot more with it. But I'm going to ponder for a second on what I want to do and then zoom you guys in and we will work on this eye look. So my eyes are primed with the Smashbox Lid Primer as always, and I'm going to go ahead and take Whatever, which is the darker matte plummy kind of shade. And this shade I'm going to begin to just tuck in the outer corner of my eye. It's actually a really pretty shade. This looks so much more purpley on the eye than it did even swatched. And I'm only taking the leftover that's on the brush through the rest of the crease. I am gonna do a half cut crease. You can't stop me. That's just what I feel like doing today. Now I'm gonna take my Pixie Endless Silky eye pen. This is in the shade Matte Mulberry. And I'm gonna heavily just kind of pop this in my waterline and right underneath the lower lash line because I want to smoke this purpley shade out as well. And I thought this might be a close match, but it's like an exact match to the pencil and shadow. Which are like the exact same color. That's so funny. I'm gonna start by just taking a clean pencil brush and just smudging this out before I put any shadow over top of it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Cookie, which is the only other matte shade we got, which is kind of unfortunate because I only have 2 dark matte shades to work with as far as blending out. But I just tapped into that just a tiny bit with this large blending brush. I didn't grab too much product because this needs to be the blending shade. And then I'll probably end up taking a clean brush just to blend the edges even more. And now I just have this really random giant Black Moon Cosmetics brush that's totally clean, just to help blend these edges out even more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Brick House, which is that shimmery bronze, and I'm just taking a shadow brush, it doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna place that kind of here in the outer corner area, just kind of a little bit next to and a little on top of that dark Whatever shade. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of Whatever just to deepen this very, very outer corner. Now we're going to do the little half cut crease moment. I'm just taking my concealer, popping that on my lid, and then looking up so I can see where I cut the crease, or where I should cut the crease, I should say. And then I'm just taking a flat brush, and I'm just going to kind of follow that line and stop it right about where those shades are getting deep. Now I'm gonna take Damn Gina, and I'm just taking that on a dense little shadow brush, and I'm gonna pack that everywhere that I laid concealer down. Ooh, that's such a cute color. I was torn between putting this color all over the lid or putting the yellow one all over the lid, but I think I really want a bright yellow inner corner. It's like my favorite thing ever is a bright yellow inner corner, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm just gonna keep going back and forth between the two brushes that I have the two shimmers with, just to kind of pat and merge right where they meet. These are actually meshing together quite nicely, not having to work too hard at all. This eye look is actually looking really pretty. It's not my normal, it's definitely way more on the neutral side than I normally opt for, but it's pretty. And finally, I'm gonna take the Stay Golden shade, and I just have this on a random Urban Decay brush. I feel like you guys can tell when my brushes are dirty when I start pulling out random brushes, but this is gonna go in the inner corner of my eye. The shade is so cute. Wow, I love. I'm just packing a ton of this on, don't mind me, you don't have to go this overkill with it. I just love yellow eyeshadow. So this is the eye look. I'm going to do the other eye, throw on some lashes and something on my lips, and I'll be back to finish this up. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I love it. I think it looks really pretty. I like it a lot more than I thought I was gonna like it just based on the shades that I picked out, but I really like it. I feel just I feel summery. I don't know. I really like this deep plummy brown. I really like this blue shade, and I love this shimmery bright neon yellow. It's so cute. Obviously, I've only used 5 out of the 14 shades. I've barely used a third of the palette, but I really like the look I came out with. These shadows blended and worked just as well as the other two Pinky Rose palettes. So far, I'm really liking this formula. This formula might become one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas, actually. I want to continue to play with these palettes. I'm really looking forward to it. Maybe I'll do a palette bingo with all the palettes. Maybe do 2 shades from each palette. Let me know what you think about that, because I kind of want to do that now. The lashes I went with are my Flutter Lashes Selfie lashes, and on my lips is, again, the Anastasia Kristen Gloss. I've been wearing this all month long. I adore it. I just think it's so pretty, and it complements so many looks, and I really think it complements this look. What do you guys think of this look? What did you think of this palette bingo? Do you think I did a good job with the shades that I was dealt? What do you think of this palette? All that jazz. Let's just chat. Give it a thumbs up if you like palette bingos. I'm really enjoying doing these, and I might continue to do more. Let me know which other palettes you'd want me to do palette bingos on, and also, again, let me know if you want me to do a palette bingo using all 3 of the palettes from the Pinky Rose collection. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.